I have a quick Adobe InDesign tip for you today that involves wrapping text around a photo. So I open the panel text wrap, window text wrap, and then I bring in my photo. For example, I'll bring it in. Command D will bring the photo in. Shift Option Command E will shrink it proportionally to the window. Option Command C will shrink the window to the picture box, and then I position it where I'd like for it to fall. Click Text Wrap, the box around a bounding box, and then I make my adjustments for the wrap. And if I want it more, let's do a little bit more. A little bit more here. And that's it. I use it all the time in newsletter layouts. Hope you found this tip helpful. Please like if you learned something and subscribe to my channel.